Section G8A, Signals and Emissions. Section G8A, Carriers and Modulation, AM, FM, and Single Sideband, Modulation Envelope, Digital Modulation, Overmodulation, Link Budgets, and Link Margins. Question: how is direct binary FSK modulation generated? The correct answer is B, by changing an oscillator's frequency directly with a digital control signal. Question: what is the name of the process that changes the phase angle of an RF signal to convey information? The correct answer is B, phase modulation. Question: what is the name of the process that changes the instantaneous frequency of an RF wave to convey information? The correct answer is D, frequency modulation. Question: what emission is produced by a reactance modulator connected to a transmitter RF amplifier stage? The correct answer is B, phase modulation. Question: what type of modulation varies the instantaneous power level of the RF signal? The correct answer is D, amplitude modulation. Question: which of the following is characteristic of QPSK-31? The correct answer is D, all these choices are correct. Question: which of the following phone emissions uses the narrowest bandwidth? The correct answer is A, single sideband. Question: which of the following is an effect of overmodulation? The correct answer is D, excessive bandwidth. Question: what type of modulation is used by FT8? The correct answer is A, 8, tone frequency shift keying. Question: what is meant by the term flat topping when referring to an amplitude modulated phone signal? The correct answer is C, signal distortion caused by excessive drive or speech levels. Question: what is the modulation envelope of an AM signal? The correct answer is A, the waveform created by connecting the peak values of the modulated signal. Section G8B, frequency changing, bandwidths of various modes, deviation, intermodulation. Question: which mixer input is varied or tuned to convert signals of different frequencies to an intermediate frequency? If the correct answer is B, local oscillator. Question: what is the term for interference from a signal at twice the if frequency from the desired signal? The correct answer is B, image response. Question: what is another term for the mixing of two RF signals? The correct answer is A, heterodyning. Question: what is the stage in a VHF FM transmitter that generates a harmonic of a lower frequency signal to reach the desired operating frequency? The correct answer is D, multiplier. Question: which intermodulation products are closest to the original signal frequencies? The correct answer is C, odd order. Question: what is the total bandwidth of an FM phone transmission having 5 kHz deviation and 3 kHz modulating frequency? The correct answer is D, 16 kHz. Question: what is the frequency deviation for a 12.21 MHz reactance modulated oscillator in a 5 kHz deviation, 146.52 MHz FM phone transmitter? The correct answer is B, 416, 7 Hz. Question: why is it important to know the duty cycle of the mode you are using when transmitting? The correct answer is B, some modes have high duty cycles that could exceed the transmitter's average power rating. Question: why is it good to match receiver bandwidth to the bandwidth of the operating mode? The correct answer is D, it results in the best signal-to-noise ratio. Question: what is the relationship between transmitted symbol rate and bandwidth? The correct answer is B, higher symbol rates require wider bandwidth. Question: what combination of a mixer's local oscillator, LO, and RF input frequencies is found in the output? The correct answer is C, the sum and difference. Section G8C. Digital emission modes. Question: which digital mode is used as a low-power beacon for assessing HF propagation? The correct answer is A. Whisper. Question: what part of a packet radio frame contains the routing and handling information? The correct answer is C. Header. Question: which of the following describes baudot code? The correct answer is C. A 5-bit code with additional start and stop bits. Question: in an ARQ mode, what is meant by a NAK response to a transmitted packet? The correct answer is A. Request retransmission of the packet. Question: what action results from a failure to exchange information due to excessive transmission attempts when using an ARQ mode? The correct answer is B. The connection is dropped. Question: which of the following narrowband digital modes can receive signals with very low signal-to-noise ratios? The correct answer is B. FT8. Question: which of the following statements is true about PSK31? The correct answer is B. Uppercase letters use longer varicode bit sequences and thus slow down transmission. Question: which is true of mesh network microwave nodes? The correct answer is B. If one node fails, a packet may still reach its target station via an alternate node. Question: how does forward error correction, FEC, allow the receiver to correct data errors? The correct answer is C. by transmitting redundant information with the data. Question: how are the two separate frequencies of a frequency shift keyed, FSK, signal identified? The correct answer is D. Mark and space.